welcome to Southern Blessed Homestead. I'm Mac.
I'm Patty.
And today we're out planting some potatoes. And we're also going to show you how ugly our garden is. We're trying to reclaim it because it's full of weeds. So don't laugh too hard when you see how bad it looks. So we got this tilled up pretty good for the potatoes. This is going to be regular potatoes over here, and then over here going to be sweet potatoes. And I got to wait till tomorrow to till it up because it's still pretty wet down in there, and it just kind of sticks to the tiller tine. So going to till that up tomorrow and we'll get that planted. Today, right now, we're going to get this row planted of potatoes. And you can see all the weeds over here. We cleaned this one box out, so it's terrible. We still got to clean that down there, and then I'll show you the rest of the garden here in a minute.
All right, we have terrible soil, but we're gonna plant our potatoes anyway. And my gardener said to try putting some alfalfa pellets for nutrition and help the soil a little bit in each hole or whatever with your potatoes. And so we just happen to have some, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. And we'll see if it helps any.
We've got small pellets, and then we've got big chunks. So we're gonna
Probably not gonna use those.
stick them down in each hole with the potato, and we're testing the experiment, and we're gonna see how it works.
You want?
And now we'll see if the miracle of life will allow it to grow.
All right, we finished our potatoes. I think we got about 60 of them in, 58, 60. We had 3 different kinds. We had red potatoes, Kuniak, something like that. And then Yukon Gold. I got them marked. We got Yukon Gold. Let me see the name of it. I forgot what it's called.
I still have to till this up here. I'll probably till it up after lunch or this evening. I got to till it up before Friday because Friday's supposed to rain, but it's still...
I think it says Kinnabee.
Oh, is that the name of it?
Yeah, Kinnabee, which is just like a russet potato. We had to not do anything in this section right here.
Yeah, we got a big anthill.
Because these ants are so bad.
We put poison on them. We're just waiting for them to die out. So we
Gotta
tilled
put more
and
on
planted around it, and I dusted 23 anthills yesterday. It was insane. Not in the garden, but just around the place, and it wasn't even our whole yard, but I think 23 is a record.
Well, my onions, they're doing fairly well. Our soil, we just haven't had the ability to amend it like we should. We need more compost, and we have not figured out, disciplined ourselves to make compost.
But all that down there is onions.
Yeah. Amongst weeds, I need to pick up the weeds.
Yeah, we're slowly reclaiming our garden back from weeds.
Yeah.
And the wind is like 20 miles an hour today, so I'm hoping that it doesn't affect the video.
But yeah, that's all weeds in there. These are obviously my coreopsis that come up every year.
Weeds.
Yeah.
Weeds.
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 Yeah.
That's what we're working on today. We're pulling and cleaning weeds.
Yep. And then I got my peas. I did do this bed.
Yeah, we got some nice
English
peas. Yep, coming up.
Peas.
And she's been working on this, so you can see how clean it is compared to over here. So we're slowly getting it, and we're working on this right now, cleaning this out, and then this. Oh, and you got more peas over here?
Yeah, these little beds. I can keep these pretty well cleaned out. But I've got carrots and Swiss chard, and most of them in the front parts. I had to put a cover with these forks over it to keep cats, wild cats and animals out of it. And it worked pretty good. But I just took off it's that hardware cloth.
And I've got some boards here. Actually, some are already pre-cut.
Yeah.
That I was working on last year, and then over there, because we're making some more beds out there, so
Yep.
I just need to assemble the beds. I've already got a lot of the boards pre-cut.
Yep. And this is the next jungle over here. So.
Yeah, this is gonna be our new beds. One here, one here, an L shape there, and then all the way down, and then a long one right over here. So we've got to clean all these weeds out, clean all that out, and then I can start putting them up and building them.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
In spots, I still have, you know, my things that come back voluntarily. I got echinacea that's coming back. My Malabar spinach is coming back. I got my comfrey. And then the oxalis is the pink flowers. I think that's
Oh, show them this over here. We do have some good in here.
Yeah,
There is some good. There's a good amongst the bad.
My spring, I've got cabbage and broccoli, and then lettuce and kale and Swiss chard, you know, kind of here and there. I had a bunch of old seed, and I just threw it in there the seed was back from 2008, some of it, so I threw it all in there. Some of them came up, so.
What's in your buckets down here? There's like some, is that herb plants?
Yeah, I've got cilantro. I've been cleaning them out too.
I just love these pink flowers over here. Pretty pink flowers. And what is this?
That's comfrey.
Man, that's a huge plant. It wasn't that big last year.
That's the mother plant.
Yeah, it wasn't that big last year.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, it wasn't. They gotta come back. These are bulbs that come back every year. They've already flowered, so they're dying back. And I've been trying to keep all this cleaned out. I've got some Tahitian melon squash planted in those over there. I've got some borage, my lemon balm, garlic chives or something like that, onion chives, and cilantro, and some catnip, and Paul. Oh, got neighbors.
Woo!
Shooting.
It's not even 4th of July.
I forgot what this is called. Something of a Paul. Anyway, it's the green, the yellow stuff.
I thought I kept hearing something. Elliot and them are here.
Oh yeah.
Elliot, hey, come here. Our grandkids just showed up. I kept hearing voices on me. Where are those kids coming from? What is that?
I've got some. I've got amaranth and some pineapple tomatillos that I found voluntarily, and I put it in here. I don't know if they'll survive.
All right, I guess we're gonna pause. We got our grandkids. Say hi to everybody. Hey, Elijah. Say hi to everybody.
Hello. Yeah.
What are you doing, huh? You gonna help Gammy in the garden?
Yeah. That thing was going faster
Okay.
than the wheel.
Y'all help Gammy in the garden.
Yep, be careful.
Yeah, point.
Okay, we're coming over here to feed our neighbor's horse. Patty saved all the grass. It's actually straw. Man, that wind. Probably not gonna pick up. The wind's horrible. She saved this. It's like straw or hay or whatever they grew in the garden. So we got, come here, Bill. So we're gonna feed him. Oh, here he goes. Come on, Bill. Come here. Hey, Bill.
You want some grass?
Beautiful horse. Our neighbors over here was shooting in the back, and every time she hears fireworks or gunshot, so she gets kind of worked up and runs around the pen.
Look, there's a bunch that fell down there, buddy.
You gonna let them feed them? Hand it to them?
Ellie doesn't really want to.
Hey. You're not supposed to throw it on the ground. You're supposed to hand it to him.
Well, why would yeah.
Hey, Elijah,
Look at Papa.
did you feed the horsey?
Mm-hmm.
Get some. Tell Gammy to give you some straw and you feed the horse.
I'll give you 4.
Okay.
Man, that wind is horrible.
Come here, baby.
Yeah.
Feels good on this side.
Come on.
Come here, baby. Oh, no.
Uh-oh, here we go. Feed the horsey. Look at that.
Oh, she likes that.
Wow.
Yummy, yummy.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Well, are you going to do it, Elijah?
Elliot.
Elliot. The oldest one's Elliot. The youngest one's Elijah. Well, I guess that's off right now. Patty had to go. She's doing the grandparent duty thing right now. But anyway, that's what we got going on. We had some good stuff in there growing, and then we got a bunch of weeds, and we got things that need to be planted, raspberry bushes, and we got cherry trees, and there's Patty Greenstalk with some strawberries, and so things are coming along. It's just a lot of work. We got to get caught up on all these weeds and everything that took over. And Patty, we didn't show this, but we had done some work. That wood frame back there, we cut out the hole in that back to get more circulation, and we put some screen up there and put a wood frame, sealed it all up. We can roll it down, close it. So it didn't take too long. We kind of did the same thing here in the front. We put a wood frame up here, and then we attached, you can get this at Walmart, it's magnetic netting, and the heavy plastic netting is to keep the stupid cats out of there, because they were getting in there and just peeing and pooping and getting all in our greenhouse. So she's got it where she can just unhook it, walk right in there, so it's easy access. We can still zip this down, and so just a little bit of modifications. She's real happy with it, and it seems to be working great. So anyway, apologize for the wind. We don't have any control over it. I hope it didn't mess up any of the voice on the video. It's crazy. Yesterday and today, I think today was worse than yesterday. It's just been blowing non-stop. And anyway, hope y'all liked our little update for what it is. We're just getting kind of kicked off, and Patty's, we got more stuff to plant right here. She's got a bunch of tomatoes, so she's got things ready. That's when we're cleaning out the beds and getting all that done so she can start getting this planted. She's hardening them off right now is what she's doing. So, but she had to go take care of grandkids, and I got to go too. They're yelling my name. I just got hit with the truck. So we'll see y'all, and say bye to everybody. All right, thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a southern blessed day.